Okay, in this video, I would like to share to you about how to make shelf wall shelf cabinet. First of all, you have to make wall existing right here with a rotated rectangle, and just select the any size of the width and just push it up around 3000 millimeter. Right, just make it group and make a floor with a rectangle and just push it down anyway. Then make it group, and then you can make the basic path of the basic shape of the cabin itself. First of all, you have to make a rectangle, simple rectangle cabin itself right here. Then you can make some adjustment. Maybe you can offset it inside. It's any thickness right here with any thickness, and just erase the unnecessary object and just push it to the front. I'm sorry, just push it to the front around maybe around 30 millimeter, right? And then you can make another you can make another rectangle box right here, maybe something like this. You can push it to the front also, and you can um, just offset inside. It's around 14 millimeter, right? And just make it group, and don't forget to delete the unnecessary object by this video. You can follow this step by using erase tool to delete unnecessary object, and don't forget to make it solid group. Okay, and then you can make the cover of this cabinet. You can set the thickness is around 15 millimeter and just move it to the back. Okay, and then you can make another rectangle on above this cabinet. You can select this area and just make the offset for any size, and just erase the unnecessary object and just push it to the front, something like this, and then make it group and just make it rectangle again, and set the corner to corner. Okay, then you can push it to the front again and just make it group, and you can bring back with the move tool anyway, and then you can make group and make component to create it, and then you can move it up and press Ctrl to duplicate it, and then you can make a line. You can make another open cabinet with line, and you can draw something like this. Okay, you can draw something like this, and then you can just offset it inside anyway. You can offset inside and just complete the drawing, complete the line, and just push it to the front, right? And then make it group, and then just make another shelf with the same thickness of the above cabinet, right? Then you can make it group, and then you can make another shelf right here with a rectangle, and just push it up, sorry, and just push it up until touch the above cabinet. Okay, and then you can add some material for a lot of component, like you can make synthetic surface. You can use this formica laminated light anyway. You can use this, I'm sorry, you can use this, and you can just select for the cover of the cabinet with quartz light gray anyway. Then you can adjust the another material right here. You can assign with you can assign with another material like wood veneer, this wood veneer, right? Okay, you can do this anyway. Then you can make another material for the wall anyway. You can use you can use this, or you can use this material, or you can use this material, and you can adjust the color of the wall anyway. But if you didn't feel it better, you can make another texture stucco material, right? Okay, this is for tutorial. Thanks for watching. I hope you learn a lot from this tutorial of SketchUp.